In the Faroe Islands, ocean is everything.
The Faroe Islands is in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean and it has the perfect conditions for growing beautiful seaweed. At Ocean Rainforest, we're a team of experts. We know how to breed seaweed from the Faroe Islands and we can cultivate it in offshore conditions. We have a short handling time of the cultivated seaweed in the Faroes, so when we have a fresh batch and we transport it the day after, then it really gets very gentle handling. There's no harsh steps in the processing steps. We are basically rinsing it with fresh water and loading it on trays, and it enters our drying room with less than 35 degrees Celsius, and then it's ready to ship. By cultivating seaweeds, we are getting a wonderful nutritional source without competing for the limited land mass.
Seaweed cultivation is carbon negative. It doesn't require any fertilizers or food to grow, and plants in the oceans like seaweed sequester more CO2 than plants in the tropical rainforest.
Seaweed is the one thing that I found that gives me hope in terms of mitigating the effects of climate change. Seaweed could be the transition point or the pivot point that would allow us to shift to a more sustainable future.
In Europe, we suffer from iodine deficiency, and seaweeds are one of the few natural sources of iodine in our diets. I don't like to think of seaweed as a superfood. I think it should be a staple food in any household, as it is so easy and versatile to cook with.
Ocean Rainforest is a very fun and dynamic company, largely due to their role in research and development, and I think that is particularly unique to be a part of.
We are not only doing something good for the environment we are working in, but we are also doing something good for the people that are using our product. And the best of it all is that we can't produce enough of it, because the more we produce, the better we do.